Fabulous Konkono, fabulous headmasters. Mr. Cromwell, the best thing to happen to Ghana football na Asante Kotoko. After 90 minutes of football action, Asante Kotoko ako Nigeria, ako win by 1-0 against KWARA United. MKO Abiola Sports Arena, Kotoko. 1, KWARA United 0. Goal scored by Hubert Jau. Boy no nimbobo. You can say player ambidextrous. Player no oye ambidextrous. Hubert Jau oye ambidextrous. Me no can say Asante Kotoko I qualify to the CAF Confederation Cup. The second preliminary round. Asante Kotoko qualifier on the work of Morocco. And the Kotaso date, no me the hon sembe bro. This important game. Coach Karim Zito, young abaso papa. How I go nearby me bro. The 4 things we learn. Coach, in the first half, a very defensive approach in the midfield. Emma Kotoko midfield near solid. And until who said, about Samba Unel, Samba a natural defender, but on any by infin, say on defense the enemy. Send the last time mistakes are conformity measure 3. Oh, Kumaseno. I won't kind of BNCB. So this time around, Samba, any a double defense of Henry Ansu and then Joseph Abulanimuno. If my showed no, and my compact no, and Yambo coach about so on that. On the 53rd minute, and Asante Kotoko the goal from Hubert Joe. Go no. A player. I'm so on one and a ball no call almost central defense no. Entinaya pre between Albert Amoa and omu defender baako and omu pemba na no and player friend Hubert Joe no esabeto nanim ose Hubert Joe ambidextrous otimi ball left otimi ball right and of flicky ball ni say or then the left no boy and a ball koto net straight away one touch and it was it Asante Kotoko editeki lead na afi ye pese defender ya today 90th minute it didn't have 1-0 win now me no can say Kotoko qualified from the CAF Confederation Cup preliminary rounds no we are called the second round of the preliminary and against WAC of Morocco October and then also ebe shasi obi buta me say eno no nhye ne sit at saying per CAF regulation the one no mesi ahye no one ha Kotoko na bedi kan abohom yes per nhye no but yentwen CAF na menji full details ewo ho emfambra na ni je nkwa me say the best thing to happen to Ghana football Asante Kotoko etina afie ewini 4-3 some supporters and Karim Zito ene wa silence you bia aduma no ye de ma obi no ya sometimes mum ye din na ye nhwe no because sometimes these players these footballers omo here win no crash supporters no because supporters no kuma ne ade ne support it but ono na kuma ne sika nyina de akiro so hu enti yambo team ni nyina ba so yambo management aba so Ghana win.